Good evening, brothers and sisters. Alive, dwelling in this heart, dwelling in the garden, Saigon. It's now. The Stickman Show, Twin Flames 2. Divine, masculine, and feminine, balanced. They call me Rodney Josephson. And let's see. Turtle time, yeah. Turtle time stamp, the eternal now. But in Caesar's world, it's 19th of April, 2026. Before we get into it, let's just relax. Check out the flowers. Ground, you balanced. What's the rush? Anyway, this is part 2. I did a video, part 1 yesterday, and this one is coming out. Here we have the complete all. Always being, ever expanding, and contracting too. The all is one, and the one is all. Harmony. Re-merging, merging, re-merging. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, something to nothing, nothing to something. This is the monad. This is the way I define it as. Infinite possibilities. The all. Whatever the all is, everything. So, getting into this topic, twin flames. There are a lot of videos and ideas about everyone has their twin flame in the world, or in different worlds, or spirituality, and so on. So let me give my perspective on what we're driving at here. We have the male and female. Again, this is from the former video. We're talking about duality, or separate bodies. Separation, duality. So I've depicted 2 different candles. Here's the female, here's the male. Man meaning the flesh and blood body. Then we have woe-man, woman, in the physical, remember. Then we have Hue-man, human. The hue, different vibration, different varieties, different characters, let's say, different colors. Okay, but first, man. There's only one. The flesh and blood. Now, the divine masculine and feminine, everyone has those elements within them. Now, this has manifested into the 2 physical bodies or beings, female and male. You know, one with goods and one with different goods. However, each one has the masculine and feminine within them. Some have forgotten that, both exist within, and they have constructed a reality that they're separate from. So that's a man and that's a woman, which in the physiologically speaking sense, yes, that's true. We could also say, the duality is good and evil, dark, light, happy, sad. However, the center, balance. Balance. So what I have drawn here is something very logical in my view. I have, love, based on love. I have a candle wick. I have the DNA strand look. I also have two colored flames. There's an orange color and there's yellow. Separate but twisting and joining as the yin-yang balance. And it's one continuous flame. It can separate at times, but it's still a flame, it's fire. This concept is duality. There's always a center. There has to be a center to that. It's like I have a right and a left arm. There's the center. So in the for the so-called conscious mental construct, psychological aspect, the masculine and feminine, of which both are there within everyone. Sometimes someone is very masculine, someone is very feminine. But ultimately within, they both have them in there. So the question is how to balance that out. And that's what I have drawn here as yin-yang, separate, but no, together, unified, DNA, whoosh, as one. I wrote a song about music called The Candle, and that depicts this idea, the concept, that each one of us is striving for the internal completion of the masculine and feminine, or putting our, putting Humpty Dumpty back together again. So that we're balanced and in harmony, in rhythm with our so-called sense of being, the self. So I can read you or sing this song. On a candlelit night, seeing you with delight, feelings alright, burning inside, keeping me warm, glow so bright, sparking my flame, it wasn't in vain. Burning, burning, up, burning, burning, up. Sometimes swaying apart, united from the start, blazing bold. Just want you to know, it's flowing up so high, lighting up the sky, showing the way. Burning night and day, hey. Burning, burning, up, burning, burning, blah, blah. Dancing in the breeze, standing ever tall, ever burning flame will always remain. When you come home, it's written in stone. Oh yeah, written in stone, yeah. So that was a song I wrote. It's basically the inner self joining as one to become whole again. That's the idea of the song. You should listen to it. It's a good beat. I wrote the lyrics, and my brother did put the instruments, instrument or the whatever it's called to it. So anyway, I want to end it there, brothers and sisters. Alive, dwelling in the garden, Saigon. It's now. Ciao.